Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a PrizePicks account. First thing I want you to do is just go ahead and go to the website, come to the top right, click on sign up. And what you need to do first is enter your email. If you have a promo code, right, go ahead and enter it right here. This is completely optional. You can use this one. And basically come here, hit continue, enter your full name, right, first, last name, hit continue, enter your date of birth, right. And you need to make sure you are 18 or older. So choose a date that will make you over 18. And then you enter your address, okay? So you can play in things like contests. You'll need to verify your location later. The information that you put in right here needs to match your driver's license. It's very essential for the user verification process. So hit continue, enter your password, create a strong password, toggle this one on, basically agree to the terms, create your account, and then you can go ahead and click continue right here. They'll require your last 4 digits of your social security number to verify your identity. And here you enter the last 4 digits, you confirm your identity, and then you just confirm your email address, you make your first deposit, and you can submit your first lineup, and you can actually claim their bonus offer. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.